Hello guys, this ultimate love reality TV show is getting interesting every day. IYKE said he's married to THERESA. Wow. Ultimate Love, the trending reality show right now, meant for people who are looking for love or hoping to settle down with their soulmate if found during the course of the show. Something the previous reality shows have been lacking. One of the couple who kicked it off from the beginning of the show, IYKE and THERESA, have been showing us on screen couples go with how they are always together, trust each other and do almost everything together. On Sunday, 16 February 2020 morning, IYKE, Precious, Bolanle and few other housemates were having breakfast and a chat when Precious kept telling IYKE about how she likes him and liked the fact that he speaks well and is cute. When IYKE wanted to defend himself, he said, "Am I married man? You know where I stand." Unconsciously, but Precious and everybody got the fist and shouted, "You're a married man," while laughing. IYKE has been showing THERESA a lot of love in the house and love up since the first day. This morning, he was caught pressing her dress so she could look good. She was heard telling him she was cold, but to the surprise of everybody watching, he took off his sweatshirt, gave it to her and went to get another. How cute. I really love this ship, this IYKE and THERESA ship. I hope it lasts. Guys, share your comment below. And for new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell button to get new notifications. Thank you.